ఆల్ ఇండియా పోలీస్ అథ్లెటిక్స్ ఛాంపియన్షిప్ ముగింపు వేడుకలు గచ్చిబౌలి స్టేడియంలో గ్రాండ్ గా జరుగుతున్నాయి. శనివారం మొదలైన పోటీలు ఇవాళ్టితో ముగుస్తున్నాయి. క్లోజింగ్ సెరమనీకి సీఎం కేసీఆర్ ముఖ్య అతిథిగా పాల్గొన్నారు. ఇప్పుడు ఆ కార్యక్రమం లైవ్ చూద్దాం.
जहां 1989 में 38वें ऑल इंडिया पुलिस एथलेटिक चैंपियनशिप का आयोजन स्थल नई दिल्ली रहा, वहीं 1992 में दूसरी बार सीआईएसएफ ने इसका आयोजन भोपाल में किया. और अब बेहद खूबसूरत मार्च पास्ट का प्रदर्शन, वह पथिक क्या, पथिक कुशलता क्या, जिस पर बिखरे शूल न हो, वह नाविक क्या, नाविक की धैर्य परीक्षा क्या, यदि धाराएं प्रतिकूल न हो.
The parade is being led by Central Reserve Police Force under the able command of Assistant Commandant Upendra K. This team has won maximum points and medals. Originally established in 1939 as the Crown Representative Police, CRPF has completed 74 years of glorious history, performing duties basically of the nature of internal security in the Naxal-affected areas of the Red Corridor and militancy-infested areas of Jammu and Kashmir.
असिस्टेंट कमांडेंट के द्वारा मुख्य अतिथि महोदय का अभिवादन किया जा रहा है. सलामी मंच से गुजरते हुए सीआरपीएफ का दस्ता.
The second contingent belongs to the Andhra Pradesh, led by Head Constable Shivram Prasad. This Telugu-speaking state, called the Rice Bowl of South, is well known for Kuchipudi dance, hand-woven saris, and Godavari and Krishna rivers.
अगला मार्चिंग दस्ता है बिहार का, जिसकी कमान संभाले हैं कांस्टेबल वीरभद्र सिंह. यहां मिला बुद्ध को ज्ञान, जिसकी गोद में है नालंदा. ये प्रदेश है भारत का मान.
Bihar is followed by contingent from Border Security Force commanded by Inspector Hoshiar Singh. Established in 1965, it is a paramilitary force charged with guarding India's international borders with Pakistan and Bangladesh. The contingent from BSF is followed by contingent from Chhattisgarh led by Constable Kishan Kumar. The 26th state of the Indian Union, Chhattisgarh is endowed with mineral and forest resources and watered by Mahanadi and Narmada. Next is the contingent of Delhi, commanded by Constable Vikas, the capital of India that woke at the stroke of the midnight hour, a melting pot of culture and the capital of pride.
दिल्ली के ठीक पीछे की टोली गुजरात की है, जिसकी कमान है कांस्टेबल नेमचंद के हाथों में. ये प्रदेश है गिर के शेरों का, कक्ष के चांदने का और चंचल डांडिया नृत्य का. मुख्य अतिथि महोदय का अभिवादन करती हुई यह टोली हरियाणा अब सलामी मंच से गुजरता. हरियाणा का दस्ता, जिसकी बागडोर है कांस्टेबल अनिल कुमार के पास. देशों में देश, हरियाणा दूध दही का खाना. यह भूमि है गीता के ज्ञान की, यह भूमि है योद्धाओं की. कांस्टेबल जगजीत लीड कर रहे हैं हिमाचल प्रदेश की टुकड़ी को. गरजती नदियां, देवदार के पेड़, खुबानी की मिठास, यह है हिमालय का आवाज.
Following Himachal Pradesh is the Indo-Tibetan Border Police Force led by Constable Abbas Ali. This force is guarding 3,488 kilometers of Indo-China border.
अगला दस्ता धरती के स्वर्ग जम्मू एवं कश्मीर का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं कांस्टेबल जुबेर. अगर फिरदौस बारूए जमी अस्त अमी अस्तो अमी अस्तो अमी अस्त. झारखंड की अगली टुकड़ी, जिसकी बागडोर है इंस्पेक्टर CN भगत के हाथों में. ये राज्य है झरनों का, ललित मनोहर जैन मंदिरों का, बेतला के शेरों का और हाथियों का.
The state of Karnataka, led by Constable Narendra, comes next, known as much for its IT capital of Bangalore as for its wildlife sanctuaries of Bandipur and Nagarhole. The next contingent is from the land of God's own country, Kerala, led by Head Constable Jairaj, known for its palm-lined beaches and backwaters, a network of canals.
मुख्य अतिथि को सलामी देता मध्य प्रदेश का दस्ता, जिसकी कमान है कांस्टेबल भावना गौत के हाथों में. भारत का दिल, मोगली का घर लिए खजुराहो और मांडू की भव्यता, मध्य प्रदेश गजब है.
Maharashtra is being led by Nayak Atul Kodu. One of the most industrialized states of India, it is famed as the land of Ganesh Chaturthi and Gudi Parva. The next contingent is of the state of Manipur. The state of Odisha, commanded by Head Constable S.N. Sahu, comes the next. With a long history spanning several centuries, Odisha is a prominent tourist destination crisscrossed by the Brahmani, Mahanadi and the Vanstara rivers.
लहलाते खेतों की महक लिए पंजाब का मार्चिंग दस्ता, जिसके बागडोर है हेड कांस्टेबल अमनदीप सिंह के हाथों में. पंजाब के आंगन में खेलते हैं 5 आब और यहाँ की मशहूर है मक्के की रोटी और सरसों दा साग.
The Railway Protection Force, led by Sub-Inspector Deepak, is the next contingent. The RPF is a security force entrusted with protecting railway passengers, passenger area, railway property of the Indian Railways.
आरपीएफ के ठीक पीछे राजस्थान की टुकड़ी कांस्टेबल पुखराज की कमान में राजस्थान की मार्चिंग टोली। संस्कृति और वैभव का अनूठा मेल। ये राज्य है रंगों का, महलों का, थार का और अनेक वीर गाथाओं का। मुख्य अतिथि महोदय का अभिवादन करते सलामी मन से गुजरते हुए राजस्थान का यह दस्ता।
It is followed by Sastra Seema Bal led by Constable Rahul Mishra, which is responsible for guarding India's border with Nepal and Bhutan. The state of Tamil Nadu is being commanded by Constable Johnson as the next contingent. A state with glorious past, vibrant culture, a rich history and a natural bounty, it is also famous as the land of Cheras, Cholas and Pandyas. The state of Telangana, commanded by Constable Muhammad Rafi, is the next contingent. It is the youngest state of the Indian Union with full of promises and potential and has been instrumental in assisting us in organizing this mega event.
अगली टुकड़ी है देवभूमि उत्तराखंड की, जिसकी कमान संभाले कांस्टेबल रवि। अनंत आस्था और प्रकृति की सुंदरता का प्रतीक है हमारा उत्तराखंड, हमारा उत्तराखंड। सलामी मंच से गुजरते हुए उत्तर प्रदेश की टोली का नेतृत्व कर रहे हैं एएसआई राघवेंद्र सिंह। ये भूमि है ताजमहल की, गंगा की, यमुना की और नवाबी एहसास की। सलामी मंच से मुख्य अतिथि महोदय का अभिवादन करते हुए गुजरते हुए
The West Bengal, led by Constable Susan Roy, is the next contingent. Kolkata, the capital city, is well known as the intellectual capital of the country too. And finally, the contingent from Central Industrial Security Force, the proud host of this year's Police Athletic Championship, commanded by Head Constable Meenakshi, is paying its salute and marching past the chief guest with pride. A special force established in 1969 to guard vital installations and economic blocks of the country, it has grown as a multifaceted and tech-savvy force in years and has created a name for its versatility and reliability world over. There is no glory in practice, but without practice, there is no glory. And these sports persons here have sweat it out and practiced all for one reason, to take back glory to their states and organizations.
रन बाकुरों का काफिला अनेक प्रतिज्ञा के साथ कूच करते हुए कि साखों से गिर जाएं ऐसे पत्ते नहीं है हम, कि साखों से गिर जाएं ऐसे पत्ते नहीं है हम, आंधियों से कोई जाके कह दे औकात में रहे। आगामी चैंपियनशिप में नए कीर्तिमान स्थापना का प्रण लिए व्यक्तिगत एवं सामूहिक इवेंट्स में अपरिमित ऊर्जा एवं हर्ष के साथ विजयी होने का संकल्प दोहराते राज्य एवं केंद्रीय बलों के टोली कमांडरों के द्वारा बेहद खूबसूरत मार्च पास्ट का प्रदर्शन। इन खिलाड़ियों के लिए यह कहना उचित होगा कि कभी खुशबू की तरह हम गुलों से उड़ते हैं, कभी धुएं की तरह हम पर्वतों से उड़ते हैं, और कोई कैंचियां हमारे पर क्या खाक कतरेंगी, हम परों से नहीं हौसलों से उड़ते हैं।
After this glorious march past, I will request Chairperson of the Organizing Committee, Shri Dharmendra Kumar, to present the welcome address, please.
Our esteemed Chief Guest, Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana State, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Honorable Sports Minister, Shri Padma Rao Gaud, Honorable Energy Minister, Shri Jagdish Reddy, Honorable Transport Minister, Shri P. Mahendra Reddy, Shri Arvind Kumar, Additional Director IB, representing the All India Police Sports Control Board, distinguished guests, team managers and participants, officials from central and state police organizations, friends from the media, ladies and gentlemen. It gives me immense pleasure in welcoming you all to the closing ceremony of the 65th All India Police Athletics Championship 2016. We are extremely grateful to Honorable Chief Minister Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao for sparing his valuable time and consenting to be the chief guest today. Sir, your gracious presence has made the day memorable and is certainly a source of inspiration for us. I take this opportunity to express my sincere gratitude to His Excellency Governor of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh and Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana for their blessings and wholehearted support extended to us for the smooth conduct of these championships. With your blessings, sir, the basic infrastructural facilities required for these games were made available by the Government of Telangana at an extremely short notice. Otherwise, it would have been very difficult for us to conduct these games in this grand manner. I am also grateful to Shri Padma Rao Gaud, Minister of Sports and Youth, Telangana, Dr. Rajiv Sharma, Chief Secretary, Telangana, Shri T. Ramachandru, Special Representative, Shri B. Venkatesh, Sports Secretary, Shri Dinkar Babu, MD Sports, Shri Sandeep Sultania, Transport Commissioner, Shri Naveen Mittal, Finance Secretary, Shri M. Dana Kishore, Managing Director, Metro Water Supply, Shri Arvind Kumar, Principal Secretary, Electricity, Shri Anurag Sharma, DGP, Telangana, Shri Sambasiva Rao, DG, Andhra Pradesh, Shri R.P. Thakur, Shri Anjani Kumar, Shri Shivdar Reddy of the Telangana Police, and Shri M.V. Rao, IG, CRP. I am also grateful and thank the principals of Navodaya, Social Welfare, Minority Welfare, and Global International School for their unstinted support and invaluable help, as a result of which we have been able to conduct these games in a befitting manner. Sir, I have great pleasure in informing you that almost 735 police sports personnel from 29 police organizations have taken part in this athletic meet. The games have been conducted in a cordial atmosphere and every participant has given their best. In sports, as also in life, success and failure are part of the game, but the spirit of sportsmanship makes the sports person different from others. In the last 5 days, we have witnessed some scintillating display of sports. Athletes gave their everything to perform remarkable feats. 3 meet records were created and significantly all of them were created by women. In the 10,000 meter run for women, Borgi Jayashri from Maharashtra Police won the gold and created a record. In the 100 meter hurdle for women, Thomas Ayana from CRPF, and in the women's hammer throw for women, Minakshi from CISF have broken the past meet records. With the unstinted support of the Government of Telangana, we have made every effort to make the participants comfortable, and the event has been a grand success. I am sure that the teams who participated in these championships will go back with fond memories. I once again express my heartfelt gratitude to the Honorable Chief Guest for sparing his valuable time for gracing this occasion. Thank you, sir. Jai Hind.
Thank you, sir. Now I request Shri Arvind Kumar, Additional Director, Intelligence Bureau, to speak few words.
Honorable Chief Minister of Telangana, Shri K. Chandrasekhar Rao, Sports Minister Shri Padma Rao Gaud, Energy Minister Shri Jagdish Reddy, Transport Minister Shri P. Mahendra Reddy, Shri Dharmendra Kumar, Additional Director General CISF and Chairperson of the Organizing Committee, Shri Jagbir Singh, Organizing Secretary of the 65th All India Police Athletics Championship 2016, distinguished guests, technical delegates, participants, media persons, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of the police forces of various states and union territories and the Central Armed Police Forces, and also on behalf of the All India Police Sports Control Board, I feel privileged in expressing our deep and sincere gratitude to the Honorable Chief Minister for being with us today on the occasion of closing ceremony of the 65th All India Police Athletics Championship, despite his various engagements and numerous pressing